Hello everyone, Manuela and we are happy to invite you to our next yoga retreat in Algesur, Portugal from 19th to 24th of September. It will be an in-depth experience during 6 days for only 6 people. So the reason we chose to host only 6 people is because we want to give full attention to each one of you. We are going to introduce you to in-depth techniques which will bring lots of transformation and inner change. So we want to be there to assist and guide you with our hearts and eyes opened. The retreat will take place at Palmas Lodge, which is a beautiful rural guest house with a quiet surrounding, with lots of nature around. And it's about 10 minutes by car from one of the beaches here in Algesur. The villa has a big swimming pool, a comfortable living room where people can hang out and rest between one activity and another. Our chef is Rafael, who is amazing and is based in Algesur. He has wide experience in retreats and events, and he's going to follow the vibe of our retreat, cooking easily digestible vegan food. So the rooms are very comfortable, and each one has an ensuite bathroom which accommodates 2 people. The room has a big bed on the bottom floor and 2 single beds on the mezzanine. All rooms are facing the swimming pool and the beautiful view on the horizon.
Before you come to the retreat, think about something you want to solve in your life, and it could be a recurring behavior pattern. A pattern could be that you end up in very similar relationship dynamics, or that you have told yourself 100 times that you will not react the same way, yet you do, since it's automatic. Another one could be that your inner conversation is similar and rather negative and limiting. So you come to the retreat with a specific subject you're ready to let go of. As human beings, we have this need to expand and evolve. And when a certain subject comes up so many times, so regularly, and you already notice that it's happening, then this energy is ready to transform and go. So it's a good thing that things come up. Solutions are available within every person. The only aspect which keeps you from moving on is your current state, which can be changed. So, what is in you you're ready to live without? That's the question to ask before you come to the retreat. The retreat itself is built up in 3 phases: the preparation process, letting go, and finding inner resources and establishing them. The preparation process starts with the intestinal cleanse, of course, because you have to get the old out of your system by drinking saline solution, doing specific asanas, and then you cleanse the digestive tract from the top to the absolute bottom. And this resets your digestion on a physical level. And then we gently introduce foods back into the diet and give the digestive tract a bit of rest with intermittent fasting. So during that time, your microbiome becomes more diverse and your body can heal itself because there's a bit of less digestion happening. And this prepares you for letting go of your specific subject on the mental and emotional level. The body is clean, so the mind can become clearer. A human being is a whole, so when there is a problem, let's say on the physical level, we also have to heal the mental level. The letting go process, which is the next one, the second phase, involves asana, pranayama, meditation techniques, and illogical artistic expression. So the yoga asanas and techniques release stuck emotions because they are in accordance with the body's letting go wisdom. This means that when there are forward bends in the asana sequences, this helps you to release the stuck emotions. And this is because when you are incredibly sad or upset, or especially you see it in children when they're sad, your head and your feet come closer to each other, even your chin goes down, because this is the natural position for the body to be sad. You turn inward and then you go through the emotion and then you open yourself up again and go about your life. So for example, you can't be sad when your chest is open. You can try this. When you're upset, open your chest, inhale deeply, and you see that you cannot be as upset. When you do the forward bends with the intention of what you really want to let go of, then it will be a very profound experience. You will release as much as you are able to release at the moment. It can be a gentle experience or a bit of emotional experience, depending where you are in your life. Once the letting go process comes to a close, we enter the creation process. So finding, supporting inner resources and establishing them. When you know what you want to let go of, you also know what you would need instead of that in order to break the cycle. And you might need maybe self-confidence, more peace, balance, joy, or maybe even humor. And we will establish them into your body, into your mind, with yogic techniques, chest openers, breathing exercises. And actually all this happens naturally for also a regular yoga practitioner, and it is a beautiful experience when you do inner research, analyze, set an intention to your practice. I'll help you individually with the process, perhaps help you change some of the patterns with neuro-linguistical programming, or guide you through a stuck emotion and give you a special task to complete your process. Some of the people who have taken part of my retreats here in Estonia, which have the same flow but the retreat is shorter, they say it's kind of dangerous to drive a car afterwards because the mind and body feels so light and kind of high after the release and creating the new phases. So you will definitely feel more subtle and lighter parts of yourself for sure after this retreat, especially because we have much more time for you as there's only 6 of you.
Thank you.